Hi everyone. I want to show you how to work with databases. We work with sqlite database, it's this one with the feather, but there are many other types of databases. Actually, there isn't much difference between them. How to work with databases in QGIS. But before I do that, let's have a look at the folder where this layer, TTT, is located. So it's here. You can see that the one layer here, if it's a shapefile, it's actually 6 files or 7 files or whatever. And if I want to manage a project, the files in a project that has, let's say, 20 layers, it's impossible. So it's really different when you work with databases. Another advantage databases has that it's easier to share information between people. So let's connect to a database. I right click on the sqlite icon and ask for a new connection. I remember it's somewhere here. I just click sqlite here and this is it, I'm connected. And now I can even use layers that are within this database. Ping. And I can even create new layers within this database. Let's just create a new point layer, which we will call points. I don't want any new fields. Just to show you that it's there. There are features in this layer. I save it and it's there in the database. And if I go to this folder now, that's the place this folder is. There's only one SQLite file. All these other files are from shapefiles that are stored in the same folder. This is it. Bye.